Okay guys, we're here now in our hotel. Ayan na. I show you in my hotel.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away.
Berlin. Diba? Schwangit ng Berlin. Ito siya maganda. There we go. This is our hotel. The Mercure Hotel. Ito yung bar. It's already closed. So I cannot go at in the bar. But of course, ang aking mga junaki. There is the entrance. Ayan, of course, ayun ang mga baby clothes. Yung hotel. Diba? There we go. Okay. Search my room. Search what is the room. Okay. Floors 07. So here we go. Here is 407. This is so. Hey. Let us see the room. Okay, this is our room. Ayan. O, diba? It's good. It's not so bad, but it's okay. Let me see the toilet. There we go. The toilet. Ayan, of course, me. Ayan, mga kalindog. Ayan, toilet. Dito tayo mag-shower. Ayan, mga baby ko. They are so happy. We are in vacation. Yahoo! Ayan, there's my bed. Dog, this is the hotel. Oh, ayan. While I'm doing my... Ayan, oh, nanonood ako kay Mary. Ayan, hi Mary. I'm just watching you. Si Mary. Mary Bell. So, ayan. Ayan, guys. This is my hotel. Ayan, yung bed ko. And of course, ito ko sa inyo. Small siya, but it's okay. Diba? Ayan, may lagayan pa ng aking mga julahas. O, diba? Ayan, ang aking mga babies. There we go. Ayan, dinala ko yung kanilang bed. O, diba? Complete. Ayan, meron tayong dito. And we have the TV. Okay. Ay, pinanood ko si Mary. Ayan, Mary, hi!
I see your hair.
O, diba? Tignan natin sa labas. You cannot see sa labas. Okay, but anyways, good. Ayan guys, thank you. Thank you for watching. Ayan, later, see you later. I'm going to take a shower with live. Bye!